And welcome back, guys. We're gonna see how to make a HUD in your game. So first thing, if we start to play, we can see that we have nothing on our screen beside our character and game, but there's no information about our maybe health or kills or anything like that. So today I'm gonna show you how to make that very easily and simply. First thing we want to do is, like, of course, create a new folder called widgets. Right there, we want to go into user interface widget blueprint, user widget blueprint, and it will be HUD, widget blueprint HUD. Now, this is gonna be very simple tutorial, so we would just want to add canvas. We want to add some, not slider, but the progress bar right here for the health. And let's add, say, kills, and we're gonna make the color and the size correct. Now here, I'm usually gonna do about the 2-digit numbers, set the color black, and set the font size you want. So, and right here, as you can see, this is how it will appear. Now, of course, we want to make this 0 because we don't want to show anything when we actually could make just text to be 0 for 0 kills. And now let's say kill t, kill txt, and we're gonna say it's variable. Here we want to say health bar, and of course make sure to that this is a variable. Now it is a variable, so after that, what we can do is start making the code for this. So now we go into the blueprints, our blueprint third person character. Now what we want to do is to create widget, and when we create the widget, we just want to get player controller, and here we want to set the widget blueprint HUD. Now this can be important to make sure to make this a variable. So we're gonna just say HUD right here, and then after that we want to just say add to viewport. After we have this as a, which means basically on the beginning, we're going to create a HUD, we're going to set it as the variable and add it to the viewport. After that, what we can do is just test to see if it works properly, and we can see it does. So we can see our 0 kills and health bar. Now, one thing I didn't do is change this color to red, so we can see that it goes up and down. Now, also something I like to do is on event construct, say cast to blueprint third person character, get player character, and to set this as a variable. Why I like to do this is just that player reference really is gonna be very needed for a lot of stuff we do, maybe not in this tutorial, but if you want to do something, it is one of the best ways to get the reference right here at the beginning, so even before it is fully constructed. Now here, how do we maybe want to set some to the increase or decrease our health bar. How we're going to do that? Let's just say key, and it doesn't matter, you can just go right here. It is, I'm gonna put some arrows, so left arrow and right arrow to increase. Now, how do we increase the health bar? Now, we want to say get health bar, and after that, we want just to say set percent. We can also get the percent first, so we can see if it does need. So now get percent. Now this is get parent. So we actually can get a percent, but doesn't even matter because we can just keep this as a variable. So we want to say health, and right here, and we can just say max health. Right here, max health is gonna be 100, and by default we are going to have like 20 health when we spawn. Now we want to do what we want to do is just say is health less than 0. We want to do a branch right here, and if it is, we won't decrease anything because it is already the a 0, so we don't want to go lower than that. If it is not less than 0, we want to say health. Actually, what we can do, we can do this first. So we go health, and we want to get again another variable of health, which is set one we're going to set minus right here, and let's just say minus 10. And here we're just again going to check if it is less than 0. If it is true, we want to set the health to 0, and then do this. Just get the health over right here. And here it is basically just going to be able to decrease our health. Now, if we want to increase our health, which we probably do, what we're going to do here is just be like here. And now we want to increase, so we're gonna go health plus some amount you want to increase it. Again, for me, it is gonna be 10. So I'm gonna put 10 right here. Set health to this, and then I want to check branch. And there is also one thing I like to do, which is we don't want to do it like this because we want to divide it first. Because I'll show you why. Right here, if we go in our HUD, and here we can see that this goes maximum of 1%. So I want this to be up to 1%, of course. And now, let's say just if this, which is checking, which we want to check is just, is it greater than max health? And if it is true, we want to just set the health to max health. So drag and drop that right here. And then we want to divide this by 100. right here. And now, of course, we want to move this a bit right here. So, and if it is false, we'll do this number divided by our max health. And same we probably could do right here, which is move this up right here, maybe move this down a little bit down, so we can do the one when it's false. Copy and paste that, copy paste this, and move it a bit to the right, and just get this to divide with our max health right here, just like this. And at the beginning, I also want to do what I want to do is again set this. Could move that right here, and then just say get health this divided by this there. So now, if you did everything correctly, if I press the left arrow, which is also going to move my character, but as a matter of I press right key, it's going to increase. It can go far beyond that, so it will go right here. And it does not work if I just hold it, I need to press it down. Now let's say what if I want to get when I get a kill, because it is a number. So pretty much the same process right here. We want to, let's just copy paste this right here, and maybe let's say the key up, upper arrow. Why upper arrow? Because we are going just to get, how did we call this? Kill text. So now we want to get HUD, get kill text, and we want to say kills. This is going to be an integer because we can have 0.3 kills or 0.5 kills. We can only have 3 kills, 4 kills, 5 kills, but can't have a count. Now, here, what we would just want to say set text. And basically, we want to set to do plus plus, so it will just increase, but increase it by 1, and just put that in here. It will automatically give me to text integer. And now let's say it should probably work. And now let's say if I just press, you can see I can go up with my kills, I can decrease and increase my health bar. So this is gonna be it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one.